The cabin air filter in a 2019 to 22 Nissan Altima is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, open the glove box and empty its contents. Next, detach the glove box by squeezing the sides to release the stops, or by removing any visible screws. Once the glove box is loose, you'll see the filter cover. Pull down or unclip this cover to reveal the cabin air filter. Note the direction of the airflow arrows on the old filter before sliding it out. This will help you install the new one correctly. With the old filter removed, insert the new cabin air filter, ensuring the airflow arrows match the direction you noted earlier. The filter should fit snugly into the housing. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the filter cover. Next, reassemble the glove box by reattaching the stops or screws. Make sure the glove box closes properly. Finally, test the AC system to ensure proper airflow and that no unusual noises are present. Experts recommend changing this filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually to maintain optimal air quality and HVAC performance.